Hey, how's it going? And I hope you're good today. Now, today let's discuss about the Chase Ritz Carlton card versus the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card. A lot of people have been, wondering if which one is the best between these two cards, and that is why today I've decided to put justification to these two cards. So possibly by the time you're done with this video, you will be able to make the best decision regarding this two credit card. As you can see right here, I'm on the page of the Chase Ritz Carlton. Okay, and as you can see, it's a Visa credit card. You get 6x points for every $1 spent at over 7,000 hotels participating in the Marion Bonvoy, and you can see 3x points, 2x points, and several other points out there for this card. And on the other hand, we have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and as you can see, this one also comes with a lot of benefits, for users of this credit card and a lot like that. Now, I'm not going to be going ahead to talk about all this because I'm certain that you've already seen this page already and you've checked it out. But today I'm just going to be differentiating between two bots, and at the end we'll talk about the one that might possibly be the best between the two credit cards. Now, I'm going to be listing different points here, differentiating between both cards and the one that works best for each point. All right. Talking about the first point is the annual fee. Now, the Ritz Carlton card has a lower annual fee of $450, okay, which is the annual fee compared to that of Chase Sapphire Reserve, which has a significant annual fee that is slightly higher, okay, and that is $550, okay, but that of the Ritz Carlton is just $450, okay, so which makes it a little bit lower than that of Chase Sapphire Reserve, okay. And another one is the travel credit, okay. So the Ritz Carlton card offers a $300 airline incidental credit, all right, while the Chase Sapphire Reserve offers a $300 travel credit that is more flexible, okay. So the Chase Sapphire Reserve is still more flexible when it comes to this travel credit, okay, why the Ritz Carlton card offers $300 airline incidental credit. So both offers both $300, but flexibility is what we're talking about right here, okay. What about hotel benefits? The Ritz Carlton card provides benefits such as $100 hotel spending credits, okay, which may require booking directly with the card, while the Chase Sapphire Reserve offers benefits like booking at the Ritz or St. Regis to maximize its $300 credit. So in this kind of aspects, the hotel benefit of the Ritz Carlton is very much different compared to that of the Chase Sapphire Reserve, okay. Also, when it comes to the point multipliers, okay, the Chase Sapphire Reserve offers higher points multiplier on travel and dining compared to the Ritz Carlton card. So in case you're the kind of user that enjoys a lot of dining and traveling, then you enjoy more benefit with the Chase Sapphire Reserve compared to that of the Ritz Carlton, okay. Also, talking about the transfer partners, the Chase Sapphire Reserve provides access to Chase transfer partners, okay, but why the Ritz Carlton card does not have this feature. So you get access to the Chase transfers partner, okay, but in case you want to transfer, but with the Ritz Carlton, you do not have this feature, okay. What about the companion card option? Because with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can be paired with other Chase cards like the Freedom Unlimited, okay. You can pair it with Freedom Unlimited or the Freedom Flex for increasing your earning potential. But when it comes to the Ritz Carlton card, it doesn't have such companion card option within the same ecosystem, okay. So that is another little bit of drawback, okay. And what about the lounge access? In case a lot of people do ask me, Maverick, what about the lounge access? Which one is the best when it comes to lounge access? Well, the Ritz Carlton card offers unlimited guest access to Priority Pass lounges, okay, while the Chase Sapphire Reserve offers Priority Pass membership with limited guest access, okay. So in this aspect, the Ritz Carlton card offers more unlimited guest access to Priority Pass lounges, okay, but the Chase Sapphire Reserve only offers limited, okay, and it's also a Priority Pass membership method, okay. Now, talking about the authorized user, the Ritz Carlton card allows unlimited free authorized users with lounge privileges, which can be beneficial for frequent travelers, okay. So Ritz Carlton is very beneficial in this aspect because it's it gives unlimited free authorized users, okay, with lounge privilege, and it can be beneficial for you in case you're a frequent traveler, okay. And when it comes to the elite status aspect, the Ritz Carlton card may offer higher Marriott Bonvoy Elite status, okay. But while the Chase Sapphire Reserve, it does not, offer or confer hotel elite status, okay. But when it comes to the elite status, this card is a good one of the Ritz Carlton, okay. It's very much beneficial for that. You can see use your card at hotel participating in Marriott Bonvoy and on everyday purchases, okay. Talking about the redemption option, also the Chase Sapphire Reserve, it offers higher redemption value through its travel portal and its pay yourself back feature compared to the Ritz Carlton card. So redemption option is more beneficial with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, okay, compared to that of the Ritz Carlton card, okay. Also annual travel certificates, because the Ritz Carlton card offers the 5k certificate annually, okay, while the Chase Sapphire Reserve doesn't have a similar certificate benefit. So annual travel certificate in this aspect is much more beneficial when you're using the Carlton card, okay. What about the groceries multiplier? The Chase Sapphire Reserve lacks, groceries multiplier, which can be obtained through other Chase cards like the Freedom Unlimited, Amex card like the Amex Gold card, okay. So they kind of like that, okay. So but you need to know that that is a little bit of drawback, okay. Also talking about the value threshold, now both cards require significant spending for you to justify their high annual fees and maximize benefits, okay. Talking about flexibility, the Chase Sapphire Reserve offers more flexibility in terms of redemption option and earning potential compared to the Ritz Carlton card, okay. Now talking about the target audience, the Ritz Carlton card may be more suitable for those who exclusively stay at Marriott properties, while the Chase Sapphire Reserve caters to a broader audience, okay. So that is what you need to know about the target audience. So in case you stay at Marriott properties, okay, and maybe you want something elite or elite, then that is good for the Ritz Carlton. But when it comes to broader audience, maybe you want to stay at anywhere, any hotel, travel benefits, then the Chase Sapphire Reserve is a good one. I like the aspect that Chase Sapphire Reserve is still more broader, okay. What about the user frequency? The Chase Sapphire Reserve may be more suitable for frequent travelers who can fully utilize its benefits through the year, while the Ritz Carlton card may be better for those who travel less frequently but they still want the luxury perks, okay. Brand loyalty also, because choosing between the card may depend on brand loyalty to Marriott for the Ritz Carlton card or Chase Unlimited reward ecosystem for the Chase Sapphire Reserve, okay. Talking about upgrade option, also some users consider upgrading from the Chase Sapphire Preferred to the Chase Sapphire Reserve or the Ritz Carlton card based on their spending habits and travel preferences, okay. Going much further, I'm just going to list another two and explain, and that is personal spending habits. So the decision between the cards should be based on your, maybe, your spending patterns, okay, or based on, your spending habits, with consideration given to how much you spend on travel, dining, and other eligible categories, okay. Value proposition also, because ultimately the choice between the Ritz Carlton card and the Chase Sapphire Reserve depends on your travel habits and redemption preferences and willingness to pay the annual fee for the benefits offered by each card. All right, so those are the things that I see about this card. I think there are a lot of others, but those are the major key points, okay, regarding this card that I see. And when it comes to choosing between the Ritz Carlton card and the Chase Sapphire Reserve, then it depends on individual preferences, okay, spending habits and travel patterns. So based on my research and also experience and everything, then I would still prefer to lean towards the Chase Sapphire Reserve for several reasons. And the first one is the flexibility, because the Chase Sapphire Reserve offers more flexibility in terms of redemption options and earning potential, especially with its unlimited reward programs and valuable transfer partners. And another one is the point multiplier, because the Chase Sapphire Reserve provides, higher points multipliers on travel and dining, which are common spending categories for many travelers, okay. And travel credit is another reason why I prefer the Chase Sapphire Reserve, because while the Ritz Carlton offers, a $300 airline incidental credit, the Chase Sapphire Reserve still, it has $300 travel credit, which is more flexible and it can be used for various travel expenses. Transfer partners also, the Chase Sapphire Reserve provides access to, Chase transfer partners, allowing a lot of card holders to potentially maximize the value of their points, okay. And card companion, the ability to pair Chase Sapphire Reserve with other Chase card like the Freedom Unlimited or the Freedom Flex, then it helps to maximize any potential and benefit within the ultimate reward ecosystem, okay. So those are the things that I see. Now overall, the Ritz Carlton card offers some unique benefits such as elite status perks and luxury hotel benefits, but the Chase Sapphire Reserve provides a broader range of benefits, so, and also has greater flexibility and better value for many travelers. Okay, but in case you are more focused on the Marriott Bonvoy, then possibly you can also go ahead with the Ritz Carlton card. But if you are the kind of person that you just want all rounder benefits, okay, I mean this card even got an award, the Chase Sapphire Reserve. All right, so you can see best credit card for, so I mean it's a very good card for travel, and a lot of, in case you want the expensive spending, it's also a good card. So you might not want to bother about the Ritz Carlton card, but it depends on individual preferences. So depending on what you want, you can go for whichever one. But I'm certain that with all these differences that I've said in this video, you've been able to know the best one you can go for or not. Okay, thank you very much for your time. I believe this video has been helpful. I will see you in another video tutorial. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.